Well, hello everybody. This is Paul with Jet Home Inspection. I wanted to take a few moments to point out something that we found here recently. What you're looking at is a condensate line for an HVAC unit that terminates into the sewage waste line. Now this is a really bad idea here because it allows sewage gases or liquids then to be pulled back into your HVAC system, and those gases now have a pathway to enter the home back through the condensate line and then being pulled back into the rest of the home. This is an inappropriate installation and can cause a health hazard to the occupants of the home. In this case, a condensate reservoir and pump should have been installed to be able to pump those liquids, those condensate liquids, back out to the exterior and not into the sewage waste line. I hope you found this information helpful, and if you would like more information about a home inspection or scheduling a home inspection, please visit our website at www.jethomeinspection.com.